jeździstoker turn watch time into wealth. 50 plus, excited. What if every second your videos are watched could actually make you money? Not pennies, profits, the kind that roll in while you sleep, grow while you rest, and multiply without you begging the algorithm for more views. YouTube does not reward creators who work harder. It rewards creators who think smarter. And right now, most creators over 50 are sitting on a gold mine they cannot even see yet. Today, that changes. Surprised? Here's a bold claim most YouTube gurus won't make. A 58-year-old with 4,000 subscribers can out-earn a 25-year-old with 400,000. And the gap has nothing to do with talent, tech skills, or posting frequency. The creator who uploaded a single video in 2021 is still depositing checks from it every month. Not because the algorithm loves them, but because they understood one thing about watch time that most creators will retire never knowing. Here is what nobody tells you when you start a YouTube channel after 50. The advantage you have is not despite your age. It is because of it. You have lived through decades of real experience, real failure, real wisdom, and real transformation. That is exactly what an audience starving for authentic guidance is desperate to find. Young creators are fighting over trends. You can own trust. And trust, my friend, converts into income in ways that viral moments never will. Hi there, my name is Bob, and our channel A Money Game AI exists to help YouTube entrepreneurs 50 plus to learn how to master AI automation using proven strategies to build your channel and make real money. We help to make it easy for you to implement. Our main market is the United States, but we need to help protect the incomes of people from all Western countries and others, where your livelihood and retirement is at stake. Our videos reveal proven strategies to build your channel and make real money, not just from YouTube ads, but through affiliate programs, AI-driven tools, and automation systems that can turn simple content into consistent income. See links in our video. Comments to learn how. If you're serious about mastering AI for YouTube growth, staying ahead of the latest tech trends, and transforming your channel into a profitable business, this is where you belong. So, let us talk about what watch time actually means in terms of real money, because most people completely misunderstand this metric. When someone watches your video, they are not just consuming content. They are giving you something incredibly valuable, their attention. And attention, in today's economy, is the most precious commodity on the planet. Advertisers pay enormous sums to access it. Brands compete fiercely for it, and YouTube has built an entire financial ecosystem around it. Your job is to stop being a passive participant in that ecosystem and start positioning yourself as someone who harvests it strategically. Now here is where the magic happens, and where creators over 50 have a distinct edge. Watch time is not just about ad revenue. That is the surface layer, the beginner's understanding. Creators who are quietly making serious income have figured out that watch time is the gateway to multiple income streams simultaneously. When someone watches 10, 15, 20 minutes of your content, they are not just generating ad impressions. They are building a relationship with you. They are deciding whether they trust you. And the longer they stay, the deeper that trust becomes. That trust is your actual product. Let me walk you through the layers of income that watch time unlocks, because this is where the real strategy lives. The first layer is the obvious one: ad revenue through YouTube's partner program. Once you hit the thresholds for monetization, every view starts generating income. But here is the critical piece most people miss. Not all watch time is created equal. A video that keeps people engaged for 12 minutes generates significantly more revenue than 3 videos that people abandon after 2 minutes. Your goal is depth, not breadth. One deeply engaging video beats 10 forgettable ones every single time. The second layer is affiliate income. This is where creators over 50 often discover their first surprising windfall. When you create content that solves real problems, you naturally mention products, tools, services, or resources that help your audience. Every single one of those mentions is an opportunity. You include your affiliate link in the description. Someone watches your video, trusts your recommendation because of the relationship that watch time built, clicks the link, makes a purchase, and you earn a commission. This works while you sleep. It works on videos you uploaded 2 years ago. It never stops working as long as the video is live and the link is active. The third layer is your own digital products or services. And this is where creators over 50 often discover their most powerful income source, because you have expertise that can be packaged. Maybe it is a course teaching what you know professionally. Maybe it is a guide, a membership community, a coaching program, a template bundle, or a workshop. Whatever form it takes, watch time is the engine that delivers warm, trusting, ready-to-buy customers directly to your offer. Someone who has watched 3 hours of your content over several weeks is not a cold lead. They are essentially a warm friend who already believes in what you teach. Now, let us talk about the system itself, because having multiple income streams means nothing without a system that connects them. Think of your channel as a pipeline, not a collection of random videos. Every video you create should serve a purpose within a larger journey. You are guiding your viewer from discovery to trust to conversion. Discovery happens when your title and thumbnail catch their attention. Trust builds as they watch and find genuine value. Conversion happens when they take the next step, whether that is clicking your affiliate link, buying your course, or joining your email list. Your email list deserves a special mention here because it is the single most overlooked asset creators over 50 fail to build. YouTube can change its algorithm tomorrow. Ad rates can drop. Affiliate programs can close. But your email list belongs to you. It is direct access to your audience that no platform can take away. Every video should include a reason for viewers to join your list. A free resource, a cheat sheet, a mini course, a guide, something valuable enough that they willingly hand over their email address. That list becomes the backbone of your entire business. Here is a concept that changes everything when you truly internalize it. The best investment of your time is not making more videos. It is making better videos that are strategically designed to keep working for you indefinitely. A video you upload today, if optimized correctly with a strong hook, genuine value, and smart calls to action, can generate income consistently for years. This is the difference between trading time for dollars and building an asset. And people over 50 understand asset building. You have spent decades doing it in other areas of life. Now it is time to apply that same wisdom to your content. Let us get specific about what makes a video high-performing in terms of watch time. The hook is everything. You have about 7 seconds to convince someone that staying is worth their time. Your hook must create either curiosity, solve an immediate problem, or make a bold promise that your content delivers on. After that hook, you need what I call a value loop. Every 2 to 3 minutes, you deliver a new insight, a surprising fact, a relatable story, or a practical tip. Each loop rewards the viewer for staying and creates anticipation for what comes next. Pacing matters more than people realize. If your energy stays flat, viewers drift. If you rush through everything, they feel overwhelmed. The best performing videos breathe. They build tension, deliver relief, build again, deliver again. Think of it like a conversation with a wise friend who knows exactly when to pause and let something land. Your life experience gives you the ability to do this naturally. Use it. Now, let us talk about the creator over 50 advantage in a market context. Search YouTube right now for advice on retirement planning, health after 50, second career strategies, travel on a fixed income, downsizing your home, rediscovering purpose after the kids leave, navigating grief, building community in later life. These are search terms with enormous volume and enormous emotional weight, and the people searching them are not 12-year-olds. They are adults with purchasing power, with real decisions to make, with real money to spend on solutions that genuinely help them. You speak their language because you live their reality. This is not just an opportunity, it is a responsibility. When you create content that truly serves your audience, monetization is not extraction. It is a natural exchange of value. You help them. They support you. The system works because it is built on genuine contribution. So here is your action plan starting today. Pick one topic where your experience genuinely positions you to help others. Create a video with a strong hook and consistent value loops throughout. Add one affiliate recommendation where it fits naturally. Create one free resource that earns email subscribers. Build that email list with every video you publish, and then repeat, refine, and reinvest in what works. You do not need to go viral. You do not need 1 million subscribers. You need a system that compounds over time, just like a well-managed investment account. Small, consistent deposits, reinvested returns, patient growth. Watch time is not just a metric on your dashboard. It is your paycheck waiting to be unlocked. And once you experience your first morning waking up to income that arrived while you slept from a video you made weeks ago, you will understand exactly why this is the smartest move you can make right now. The question is no longer whether this works for creators over 50. The question is simply when you are going to start.
If you're getting any value out of this video, please do us one favor to help you and smash that like button, subscribe and the notification bell.
In this video, we explore the innovative ways to automate YouTube videos using AI technology. By leveraging these tools, content creation becomes faster and more efficient, allowing us to focus on what truly matters, growing our channel and engaging with our audience. We cover essential strategies that can help streamline your workflow while maximizing your reach. Don't miss out on checking the links at the top of the description below to the free training and software we use to create this video.